the quiet miracle that often begins in silence. It's easy to imagine transformation as something sudden, a burst of clarity, a dramatic breakthrough, a lightning moment when everything falls into place. But most change doesn't look like that. Most change begins quietly. It begins on an ordinary day with a single decision, a choice to do something different, to think differently, to believe that maybe, just maybe, things can shift. And then nothing seems to happen. You keep showing up, you keep trying, and still the results are invincible. That's when doubt creeps in. When you start to wonder, is this working? Am I wasting my time? But that's exactly how real change begins. Slowly, subtly, quietly. Because every new reality has to pass through the layers of belief, fear, and habits that surrounds you. It has to push through your old patterns, through your comfort zones, through your walls you have built to protect yourself. And in that process, life will taste you. It will ask you to prove how much you truly want what you say you want. It will ask you to take the first step even when the path is invincible. It will ask you to move forward before you feel ready, because readiness is rarely something that comes first. It's something you earn along the way. Change takes courage, not because it's fast, but because it's slow. Because it demands consistency long before results appear. Because it asks you to keep believing in the unseen, to keep nurturing the seed long before it blooms. Imagine a seed buried in the soil. From above, it looks like nothing is happening. But underground, roots are forming, connections are deepening, and energy is gathering for the moments that little sprout breaks through the earth. That is what your life is doing right now. Aligning, rearranging, preparing. The moment you take your first step, the path begins to appear. The moment you say, I am ready, even if your voice shakes, something shifts. And every time you take another step, another piece of the road reveals itself. This is the unseen magic of creation, the unfolding that happens after the leap of faith, not before it. So, if you are in a season where things feel slow, uncertain, or stagnant, remember this: you are not stuck. You are becoming. Every little effort is adding up in ways you can't yet see. And one day, you will look back and realize that what felt like stillness was actually transformation in motion. Here, your challenge of the day. Take one small step toward a dream or a goal you have been postponing because it feels too far away. Write it down, say it aloud, and do something, no matter how small, to move closer to it today. Affirm this: I trust that everything I am working toward is already on its way to me, even if I can't see it yet.